Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will understand remuneration methods and incentive schemes in labor costing or employee costing. So these remuneration methods and incentive schemes, they are the two key concepts used to determine how employees are paid for their work. Clear? So let's begin. First, we have to check the meaning of remuneration and incentives. Remuneration, it means what? It is the reward for labor and service. It is the reward for labor and service. Means remuneration, it means it is nothing but payment given to the employees for their services. It can include wages, salaries, incentives, bonus, etc. Clear? So remuneration means what? That is the payment given to the employees for their services. And second one is incentives. It means what? It is the motivation for extra effort to perform more effectively by way of monetary or non-monetary incentives. Incentives, it is a motivation for extra effort to perform more effectively by way of monetary or non-monetary incentives. So here an incentive, it is an extra reward given to the employees in addition to their regular wages or salary. For what? To encourage better performance. To encourage better performance, companies will give the incentives to the employees and for higher productivity and greater efficiency. So this incentive, monetary incentives, there are mainly two types. They may be given by way of monetary or non-monetary incentives. Monetary incentives means that is paid in money, such as bonus or a commission and or profit sharing or performance allowances. Clear? For what? To encourage the better performance and higher productivity and greater efficiency. And non-monetary incentives means like they are the non-cash benefits. Monetary means the incentives, they are paid in money, and non-monetary means they are non-cash benefits such as free meals, giving free meals and company housing or promotions or any awards like that. Okay, so these all are non-monetary incentives. See here, wages are paid either on time basis or output basis. Here they are telling wages are paid either on time basis or output basis. So various methods of remuneration may be obtained which are classified as follows. See here, remuneration and incentives meanings are clear, right? After that, wages are paid either on time basis, means employees are paid based on the amount of time they work. Employees are paid based on the amount of time they work, regardless of how much they produce. Means here we should not consider the output, only here we need to consider the amount of time they work. And output basis, it means what? Here output basis means employees are paid based on the quantity of work completed or units produced. So this time basis, that is also called as time rate system, and output basis, that is also called as piece rate system. On time basis, here payments are made based on the amount of time they work, and in output basis, employees are paid based on the quantity of work completed or units produced, or on the quantity of output on output basis. Clear? See here, various methods of remuneration may be obtained which are classified as follows. So let's see. In that, first one is time wages. In time wages, in this method, payment is based on time work, not the quantity produced. See, listen very carefully. In time wages, as the name suggests, payment is based on time work, not the quantity produced. Means, in the time wage system, payment is made based on the time an employee spends working. Clear? Such as per hour or per day, per week or per month. But regardless of how much output is produced, here we are not going to consider the output. Here we are going to consider only the time. Time an employee spends working. That's it. So what is the formula for calculating the time wages? Time wages equals to time worked or hours worked into rate per hour or per day, per week or per month. Clear? Simple, right? So let's see one example. If a worker is paid rupees 200 per day, here they said per day, and works for 25 days. So the earnings are 25 days means time worked into rate per hour. How much? That is rupees 200. So rupees 5000. This is our earnings. Clear? So in time wages, output is not considered, only the time work is taken into account. Clear? I hope this time wages is clear to you all. See, next we will see the types of time wages. What are the types of time wages? Clear? So in that, first one is ordinary level. Ordinary level, it means what? Fixed rate for all workers. Means in this system all workers are paid the same fixed rate regardless of their skills or experience. If the employee is skilled or experienced, but in the ordinary level workers are paid the same fixed rate. Clear? For example, if the wage rate is rupees 100 per day, every worker receives rupees 100 per day, even if one is more experienced than the other. If the employee is experienced or not, in the ordinary level, the workers are paid the same fixed rate. Clear? And second one is high wage level. In high wage level, higher wage for skilled workers. In ordinary level, fixed rate for all workers. Whether one employee is experienced and another employee he is not experienced, for him also same fixed rate. Same rate applicable to the experienced and non-experienced workers. But in high wage level, higher wage for skilled workers means workers are paid higher rates to attract or retain skilled, experienced or efficient workers. Clear? For example, skilled workers gets rupees 150 per day while unskilled workers gets rupees 100 per day. Clear? Here in high wage level, skilled workers they get more, right? That is rupees 150 per day. But unskilled workers they gets only rupees 100 per day. And next one is graduated level. Here wage increases with experience or service period. Clear? Here wage increase gradually with the length of service or performance or experience. For example, first year rupees 100 per day and second year, now he is having 1 year of experience, so second year he will get rupees 120 per day. Now and third year he will get rupees 140 per day because his experience is increasing, right? So that is what graduated level. So these are the types of time wages, that is ordinary level, high wage level and graduated level. So in time wages you need to remember output is not considered, only the time worked is taken into account. Okay, this is about time wages. So now let's see the advantages of time wages. What are the advantages of time wages? It is simple to calculate, right? And second one is provides income security to the workers. It means what? It provides income security because here workers receive a fixed amount that is based on time worked, right? Even if their output varies. Means here if their output varies, that one we will not taken into consider. Here only a fixed amount based on time worked. That is what it provides income security to the workers. No, next one, disadvantages of time wages. Here what are the disadvantages of time wages? First one is no motivation to increase output. No motivation to increase the output, because here we are not considering the output, right? Workers are paid for time, not output. So there is no direct reward for producing more, right? Which reduces motivation to increase the output. Reduces the motivation to increase the output. Clear? And second one is may lead to idle time or inefficiency. It means since earnings are not linked to output, workers may work slowly or they waste the time, that leading to idle time, right? Or inefficiency in the time wage system. Clear? That is what it may lead to idle time or inefficiency. So what are the disadvantages of time wages? No motivation to increase output, and it may lead to idle time or inefficiency. This is about time wages. So here you need to consider only the time. Payment is made based on the time an employee spends working, such as per hour, per day, per week or per month. But regardless of how much output is produced, don't consider the output here. Clear? This is about time wages. So I hope this time wages is clear to you all. In the next class, I will continue this topic only, that is remuneration methods and incentive schemes. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment. Thank you.